Hey everyone, I'm Rooster from Off Grid Rooster. Please don't forget like, subscribe, share these videos, and check out my links. I did, and I'm going to go in to feed my goats so you can see where I put all the rocks and how it's working out so far. I've got a lot of rocks to go. I'm trying to create the same environment that they should be used to. Usually they're in the rocky territory. If they have, like in the woods, they have a lot of brush and trees to eat. So I have to keep on top of what they eat, when they eat, how they eat, their health. These are the things you don't see early in the morning and time getting ready. My dogs are jealous. They're all calling for food. Okay, baby. Let me show you what I have, what I've done. I'll turn the camera around. These are all the rocks that I put in this area. They know it's dinner time. Give them a little hay. I gave them grain. In the morning, they only get a little bit of grain because they thrive and live on foraging on the greens. So you can see them here. I'm going to leave this camera here and watch. I'm going to get some hay, and they're going to be nosy enough that they're going to knock this out. They're going to knock this off. I'll be coming in from that area right there. I'm going to walk right there, and they'll follow me. My dogs go crazy. They just keep this is the stuff you guys don't get to see too often. Here I go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. I love these guys. Nova, stop it. I'll get you next. Relax, relax. Relax. Now I'm going to the makeshift feed place and get some hay. I'm getting alfalfa hay. And I'm getting coastal grass. I just give them a little bit of alfalfa because it has a little bit more nutrients. And then I give them more of the orchard grass. So you'll see me walking out in a second. I just don't want them to knock. They're going to bum rush me. And I have to be a little stronger. Back it up. Come on, back it up. Let's go. Come on, girls. Come on, boys. Let's do this. Alfalfa, orchard grass, a little bit here. I have some for the kids so they can separate from mom and dad, from their moms and dad, and they get to climb. These are my babies. These are my little babies. This one's Juliet. This is his main squeeze. That was one of her babies. This is Delilah, Cleopatra. Bambi. That's Bambi right there. Delilah. Isha, good girl. The little kids are still getting used to me. They're all paddock. They are so sweet. He got big really quick. Yeah. He got really big quick. And that's Cleopatra's baby. Now I leave him alone and then check on the dogs. Up. Make sure I don't fall. Okay. Every morning, these dogs get energized because they sleep all day, all night. And then during this time, sunset, they want to play. That's Nova. Milo, stop it. Move away. Move. They play rough with each other. They know their boundaries. They know the alpha dogs, the female alpha, and the male alpha. So, what I'll do is set this camera up here, and then you'll see me walk around. Make sure they have enough water. Try to do this before it gets sunset. This is all they want. The attention, and I get it. I get these guys. This is my life. I love this life. Can you imagine? I mean, I can't imagine just being here and not talking and not doing anything and just sitting here. I have to keep on the move, talk to something, have something else that's alive with me. Now this is a pain doing this. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Good girls, good boys. Hey. Stop it. Stop it. Back it up. I give him a little bit for the evening. Stop. Stop. No. Hey. Don't touch. Don't touch. Go ahead, eat. Don't touch. Nope. I gotta pick up all this poop every day, scraping it. That way the flies don't go out. They'll keep quiet as soon as I give them their food, check their water. And then from here I go to the chickens. Make sure the chickens have enough water for the evening. And I have to lock them up because I don't want any predators getting in the way. Hey, Milo, 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 come. See, now they keep quiet. They want the attention. They want the food when they want it. They get it when I give it. Then I put some more water in there for the evening for them. That's it for you. Go ahead. Ice. I made sure that gate, all the gates open, pushing in when I'm going in. That way I could push them out, push them inside instead of them. If I open the gate coming out this way, they'll run. So let me just show you. Get some water, and then I'm done with these guys. Get a 5-gallon bucket full of water and fill up their place. That's why I have to keep all this water here. Goats have enough water. Now I'm filling up the 5 gallons. And make sure the guinea fowl, the other chickens are fed. Make sure, because the winds will pick up in the evening. And then when it gets a little darker, I'll water some of the plants so it could soak. And then tomorrow, when the sun comes out, it'll dry up the rest. I don't want the roots to dry out. I didn't water them for 2 days. I don't water them every day. I don't want to bog down their roots. Okay, coming back with the water. You can see how much time it takes. And this is what I'm set to do. Back it up. Stop it. You talk a lot. Come on. Get some water. Good boys. Ice. Back it off. Ice. Back up. No, ice. Ice. No. Let her eat. Go ahead. Go eat. Guys, eat. You gotta let the babies eat. There's more food over there. Back it up. And that's it for these guys. He got out. Good boy. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. Good boy. Get inside. Well, thanks for watching. One day at a time. This is the life for me. You guys, take it easy.